This is a healthy breakfast recipe that is going to give you your protein, your carbs, vitamins and minerals along with lots of fiber. It is a simplified version of oats omelette. Tastes delicious. Let's make this together. We're going to start with 1 cup of rolled oats. You could also use instant oats. To this, add a little less than 1 cup of water. Give that a good mix and let that soak for 15 minutes. That's going to make the oats nice and soggy and soft. Guys, for more oats recipes, check out my oats playlist. Next goes in 1 egg, and we are going to mix the egg in as well. As you start to combine the egg, you'll see that the oats feels absolutely smooth, almost like a creamy, custardy consistency. Now let's coarsely grind some veggies. I'm going to add in some carrots, some onion, a 1/4 piece of tomato, 1/2 inch of ginger, 1 green chilli, a handful of coriander leaves, 3 giant curry leaves. I've never seen such big curry leaves. And we are going to coarsely grind them. We're going to add that into the oats along with a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, some salt to taste. Give that a good mix and we're ready to make our oats omelette or oats chila. The difference being that we're not powdering the oats here, so the recipe is a lot quicker. Now I'm using my cast iron pan and I'm going to spread half of the oats in the bowl, and I'm going to shape it like a circle. You obviously don't have to. I'm just trying to make it look nice. It's about a 1/2 centimeter thick. It should take about 5 to 6 minutes over medium heat per side. Use some good oil. This is avocado oil. You can also use olive oil, a little bit, not too much. Flip it until it's golden brown on the other side. Per side, again 5 to 6 minutes, and you can have this with some sauce or as it is.